I'm Liz. I'm a youth services librarian at the children's branch, and I wanted to share with you today this fun thing I saw on the internet called fluffy coffee. I know a lot of us are missing our Starbucks and other fancy coffee drinks, so I wanted to show you something you can make at home during this quarantine. So what you're going to need is sugar, milk of your choice, doesn't matter what kind, and hot water, and then instant coffee. This is a 1:1:1 ratio recipe. So 1 tablespoon of instant coffee, which I already got in here. I'm using 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then 2 tablespoons of hot water. Once you add that all in your bowl, you're going to use either a whisk or I'm going to use this electric hand mixer because it's a little faster. But if you have little ones at home that want to help you, you can have them whisk it. You need to whisk it for about 3 minutes. Okay, so we're going to start with our herb beater. Ready? Okay, so you want to beat it until it has this kind of peaking consistency, kind of like egg whites. Okay, and then once you're done with that, you're going to take 2 glasses and put crushed ice in each of them. Okay, and then you're going to take the milk of your choice, pour it about 3/4 of the way. Again, I'm making 2 glasses. Huh? And then you're going to spoon your fluffy coffee on top. And there you have it. 2 very delicious coffee drinks. See you next time.